What's up, guys? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. And as you can see, I have the S22 here again, Ultra, and screen protector. Now this is the first time in a long time that I've used a screen protector on a phone other than video purposes, but for some reason the S22 screen scratches fairly easily compared to like my iPhone 12 Pro, which is coming up on 3 years, and it has no scratch whatsoever on the screen. It's going to be kind of hard to show on here, but if you can see like a gash or a line right there, there's a few couple on the top and then some at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but it's very annoying, and so I've decided to finally upgrade, or put a screen protector on it. So let's quickly get into it. So the product is Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered, as you can see there, and on it says protection of God. So we'll see how protective it is. So just go ahead and get my knife here. See how easy it is to cut this open. There we go. And we have, let's see what we have in here. Patch insulation cleaning cloth. Instruction on how to install it. This is to, I believe, get rid of the dust on the screen. And it does come with 2 screen protectors as backup. So just go ahead and pull this out. And it's cool because I don't know if you can see that, but it does have a circular dent right here for your fingerprint scanner, so you can know where to go to at all times. That's pretty nice. And again, you have another extra one just in case the first one breaks, but hopefully that won't happen. Let's go ahead and install this. First I'm going to take off the back here. For some reason this pops up as well, so yeah. Let's see what we have here. So first of all, I'm just gonna wipe it down. Let's go ahead and lay that flat. Go ahead and put this down, peel the back off. Oh, look at that, it broke already. For some reason it hooked onto the hole or whatever for the fingerprint, which is not a smart move. So there we go, garbage already. Nice job, guys. You figured it would just easily just pull down and call it a day. So let's see this one. Let's see if I can break a second one on camera here. So when we get down to this part, we have to slowly, I guess, tug at the hole. Yeah, this is not a good design. Okay, there we have it. Okay, wipe this down once again, and hopefully it is easy to put on. Yeah, it seems it doesn't cover the whole screen. Push that down. And see how long this lasts. So as you can see firsthand, which I thought was a nice little perk of having that fingerprint scanner hole, or it does not work at all. So this is a fail here. Like I said, it seems that it doesn't cover the whole screen from top to bottom. And it does, well, I don't know if you can read that, it does say in small teeny words S22 Ultra, so I got the right one. And yeah. It's not picking up the fingerprint, and then it locks you out and then tells you to unlock it the old school way. So yeah, I don't know about this, guys. And then you can clearly see where the fingerprint hole is. So I mean, that can annoy you as well. So yeah, looking at this product, I really don't recommend it. I've aligned it up perfectly at the bottom, from the bottom to the top, and it seems the hole is not perfect, or is in that area it does not sense the fingerprint. So I wouldn't recommend this, guys. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching my video. Please give this a thumbs up. I'll put the description of the product at the bottom, so that you know not to buy it. But if you want to buy it, the link is going to be there. Peace out, guys. See you later.